Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and I'm here to teach you French with a smile. We are talking future today. Futur antérieur. What is this? Okay. You are advanced, so you know the futur simple. But here, we are going into subtle things because don't think that the future is a big ball of events and then we are going to put everything in this box. This is the future. No, because we have time sequences in the future. We have an order of things. Some things will happen before others, and for that reason, you need the futur antérieur. Ante, the prefix means before. First example. Quand tu auras terminé ton repas, tu iras dans le jardin. When you have finished your meal, then you can go outside and play. But you see, it's not the other way around. You are not going to go outside and play if your meal is not finished. So, this important tense, futur antérieur, conveys the idea of one thing before the other in the future. Quand tu auras fini ton repas, tu iras dans le jardin. Encore une fois. Quand tu auras fini ton repas, tu iras dans le jardin. Ensemble. Quand tu auras fini ton repas, tu iras dans le jardin. Do you want another example? Morning routine. First you take a shower and then you get dressed. Same thing. You cannot get dressed before taking the shower. So we want to say there is one thing after the other, even if they are both in the future. Quand j'aurai pris ma douche, je m'habillerai. Encore une fois. Quand j'aurai pris ma douche, je m'habillerai. Ensemble. Quand j'aurai pris ma douche, je m'habillerai. Okay, so you may think, I have it figured out. I know what the futur antérieur is, but wait, you are advanced, right? So there is another use of the futur antérieur. It's when something happened, so in the past, obviously, it happened, but you're kind of drawing a conclusion. You know, it's, okay, how was it? What happened? You draw a conclusion. And interestingly enough, you are going to use the futur antérieur even though you are talking about something that just happened for a period of time. First example. Let's say you are with a friend in a house and you have a very nice bird in a cage, and during the whole day the bird sings. So then this is the evening and you look at your friends and you say, it's just amazing because this bird, it sang the whole day. I could hear it for the whole day. So this is the conclusion. It is the end of the day and you are looking at what happened. L'oiseau aura chanté toute la journée dans sa cage. Encore une fois, l'oiseau aura chanté toute la journée dans sa cage. Ensemble, l'oiseau aura chanté toute la journée dans sa cage. Another example, so you have been on holiday with your family and you're just back home and you look at each other and you know it was such a good time. So you want to say, nous aurons vraiment passé de bonnes vacances cet été. Encore une fois, nous aurons vraiment passé de bonnes vacances cet été. Ensemble, nous aurons vraiment passé de bonnes vacances cet été. Now that you have it, let's go through être, avoir, aller in the futur antérieur. J'aurais été. Tu auras été. Il aura été. Nous aurons été. vous aurez été, ils auront été. Encore une fois, j'aurais été, tu auras été, il aura été, nous aurons été, vous aurez été, ils auront été. Ensemble, j'aurais été, tu auras été, il aura été, nous aurons été, vous aurez été, ils auront été. Very good. Now, to have, avoir. J'aurais eu, tu auras eu, il aura eu, nous aurons eu, vous aurez eu, ils auront eu. Encore une fois, j'aurais eu, tu auras eu, il aura eu, nous aurons eu, vous aurez eu, ils auront eu. Ensemble, j'aurais eu, tu auras eu, il aura eu, nous aurons eu, vous aurez eu, ils auront eu. And now the last one, to go, aller. J'aurais, serai allé, tu seras allé, il sera allé, nous serons allés, vous serez allés, ils seront allés. Remember that the participe passé has to take into account whether it is singular, plural, masculine, feminine. Encore une fois. Je serai allé, tu seras allé, il sera allé. Nous serons allés, vous serez allés, ils seront allés. Ensemble, je serai allé, tu seras allé, il sera allé. Nous serons allés, vous serez allés, ils seront allés. Yes, you did it! Okay, if you want private lessons with me, the link is below. And see you very soon for French with a smile!